Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how you can get a collaborative request code in Shopify. So let's get in. You want to go over to the left-hand side and down to settings. Now, if you're working with a few different people and you want them to have access to your back end of your store, you want to go into users and permissions and give them a code so that they can gain access. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you will find collaborators, and here they have two options. So only people with a collaborator request code can send a collaborator request, and here is the current code. What you want to do is say generate new code, and this will generate a brand new code, and this code will have a one-time use. You can then give this code to the collaborator that you would like to give request to, and this person will then send in a request. You'll have to then review that request. So the second option is anyone can send a collaborator request. This means they don't need a code to send a request. However, you will still have the opportunity to review the request. So they won't just automatically gain access to your Shopify store. You can manage it all over here. If you have any more questions, you can drop it in the comment section below, and we'll see you in another awesome video. Peace out.